Alrighty guys, so today is the day that my mom comes back from Mexico. She has been in Mexico for the last 3 months taking care of my grandpa, and just there was family drama, and so she had to go to Mexico to take care of my grandpa. But besides the point, she's in Mexico and she's coming back today. Now I actually went ahead and joined a whole bunch of Facebook plant pages in Mexico, like Facebook groups that were located in Mexico, and I joined 3 of them. And I purchased Hoyas from a Mexican guy from Cuernavaca, and I purchased 2 Hoyas. My mom has them, and so we were undecided on whether she should like keep them in Mexico or if she's gonna bring them with her. As you guys know, smuggling plants overseas, like in the airport on our luggage, you can sometimes get away with it, or you can sometimes not get away with it. We actually have gotten away with bringing like little trees, but like the little bulb, like the little seed of like a plant. My aunt has brought plants inside boots. So me and my mom are bringing, well, my mom is bringing back the Hoyas in a shoebox, I believe. So I am a little bit scared because, or I'm actually very scared if they're gonna confiscate her, they're gonna catch her, if they're gonna tell her anything. I'm making this video because I'm gonna film when my mom gets home. We're gonna go pick her up at the airport, and then once she's here, I'm gonna record if the plans made it or not. And if they made it, I'll record, and if they didn't, I'll still record, because this will be a learning experience. I'm not sure if you're overseas, if you're going to Mexico or any other country driving and you're trying to come back with plans. Would I recommend you guys to do it? Would I not recommend you guys to do it? So just keep on watching and see what happened. Did I get the plans or did I not? Alright, so I actually did not end up going to the airport. I actually stayed home. My dad and my brother did. And I'm anxious, I'm scared, because at this point, it's actually over midnight, actually. It's about to be 12. My mom's flight was, she was supposed to get here by 11:30ish. And so I'm just worried that they're gonna tell her something. And you know what, just having this feeling of remorse to having my mom bring plants. I told her not to bring them anymore, but she was like, you know what, you already bought them, I'll take them. I don't think they're gonna tell me anything. And I'm just like scared if they do. If they catch her, if they catch us bringing plants, I told her to just throw them away. Don't even argue with them. We shouldn't be arguing. Just put them in the trash and forget about it, you know, and just come home safe and sound. That's pretty much it. And that's essentially what I'm wanting right now. I want my mom and my grandpa to come home safe and sound. And if the plants make it or not, it's actually the least thing that I'm worried right now. I'm more worried about my mom not getting in trouble, or my grandpa, you know. And right now, for what I'm feeling and for what's going on, I actually will not be doing this ever again, nor will I recommend you guys to go through this, because you never know if they're gonna check plants. Yes, my aunt has brought what has she brought? She's brought euphorbias. My mom in the past, she's brought seeds. However, this is a little bit more of a bigger plant, not like a monstera. It's, you know, it's like a medium-sized Hoya. Alright guys, so my dad just caught that they're on their way back home. Apparently everything went fine. So I'm just happy that they're back, or they're like minutes away. So I cannot wait to just say hi to my mom after 3 months. It may not seem like a lot, but once you live with your parents for such a long time, 3 months become like very long. So I'm really happy. And my grandpa is coming back. I hadn't seen my grandpa in like 3 years. So he's coming back, and we're gonna take care of my grandpa. We're gonna try to live with my grandpa for a few months, or if he wants to stay with us forever, then, you know, we're gonna be glad to keep him with us. But if he wants to go back to Mexico, and you know, but anyways, so yeah, cannot wait. Turkey. Turquichita. No, creo que no le he puesto seguro. Ay. And here are the Hoyas. Here's one. All right, here is the second one. All right, so this is the glabra. Oh my God, look at this. It's huge. Wow. Okay, that's the glabra. Huge. Wow, okay. Look at this.